Hello guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. By now you might have already guessed what this vlog is all about. It's around 7:30 in the morning. Today is 12th of September, Saturday. It's a weekly off for me from office work. 12 days back on 31st of August, my sister tested COVID positive. Last few days have been very stressful indeed. Let me give you some background. In Guwahati, in Assam, everything is open for all 7 days a week now. But she used to travel by her own vehicle alone. She used to drive to office. She used to drive to and from her office alone. And she was taking utmost care. But still, I don't know, in a random check in office, she tested positive. And here the rules are a little strict because first they will analyze if you actually have provisions at home for home quarantine, and because she was asymptomatic, that means she had no symptoms, no ailments, nothing that we should worry about. So we got the permission in writing for a home quarantine, and in this house only where everybody was together, even my elder sister and nephew, my younger sister, me, everybody. The moment we came to know about it, immediately we had sent our elder sister and my 3 years old nephew to their place. Now our main concern was because we also stay with our parents. So on 31st she tested positive, and immediately on the next day, which is 1st of September, we got my parents tested in SB Deora College. Fortunately, by God's grace, the reports came negative. But my father was not keeping well from some days, so we were really tensed, worried, and we really had sleepless nights. Though the test reports of 1st of September came negative, but because my father hadn't recovered completely, so on 5th of August we got him checked once again privately in Ultra Care Survey, which is authorized to conduct COVID tests. There he had undergone the detailed test, and fortunately, by God's grace, even that report came negative. Now he is slowly recovering. I am starting this vlog early in the morning to share with you what are the kind of precautions that we have been taking, what care are we taking. Let's begin the video. As my sister is in home quarantine, and also for all of our safety, our gate is always locked. The newspaper guy throws the newspaper over the gate, and we usually keep the newspaper outside only for say half an hour to 45 minutes before we actually read it. And then before reading also we iron the newspaper and then use it. We have separated the plates, cups, bowls used by my sister, and we always keep it under the sun after it has been washed. Let me show you some of the things that we are having currently. The entire family is consuming. The first one is a Giloy and Tulsi juice, which 3 to 4 tablespoons are mixed in a cup of water, and it is consumed in an empty stomach. Because we are not having raw haldi, so we are using haldi powder in warm water. Then this is honey, chawanprash. Then this is tulsi extract, and this is haldi extract. Betadine for gargling with warm water. Another immunity booster, we add a few drops in water and consume. Because my parents already had the Giloy and Tulsi juice before I woke up, I am now mixing 1 spoon of haldi each in a glass of water for my parents. People who like milk can also add haldi in warm milk and have it. Because my father had mild fever, so every night after dinner we were giving him 1 paracetamol tablet, and we were ensuring that we give him enough vitamin B complex and vitamin C supplements. We are following taking steam 3 to 4 times a day. The steamer is filled up with water up to that mark, and it's really relaxing. And another thing that we are ensuring is changing the bed sheets and towels and other piece of clothes very frequently in 2 to 3 days at least. Sanitizing the doorknobs is a regular practice that we are following. We are staying in this part of the house which has the drawing room, dining room, there are bedrooms there, and a washroom, and this is a flower vase as a reminder that we cannot cross this area. Beyond this door there are 3-4 rooms and a washroom where my sister is quarantining. Unless we have to give her food or any other essential item, that too we wear proper mask and we sanitize frequently. We do not cross this area and we are maintaining proper physical distancing. Now the first cup of tea. Let me show you the preparation. This is a tulsi plant and we ensure we add a lot of tulsi leaves in our tea. Tulsi, adrak, long, ilaichi, dalchini. The chai patti and even vegetable peels are kept because it is used as manure for the plants. Let's quickly make some breakfast. This is poha, onion, mungfali and gajar. Checking the oxygen level or percentage is a must. Because my dad was not keeping well, I made sure that I check his oxygen percentage at least every 2 hours, and I also check his temperature. Let me show you the reading. It has come 96%, which is oxygen, and 72 is the heart rate. So anything above 94 to 95% of oxygen is normal and nothing to worry. Now I will check his temperature. His temperature came somewhere around 96 point something, which is normal. Some vegetables shopping now.
Rongolau diok adha kilo man.
আৰু কি লাগে মা পটল আছে আধা কিলো
I don't know why do we have a collection of everything at our home. We wash the vegetables outside before taking it inside our house. These vegetables would stay here for at least an hour. We ensure that we sanitize our hands or wash it with soap water very frequently. Let's buy fish.
After breakfast, we have now enough time until lunch. So we sit here in the veranda and relax. I'll show you.
This is where we sit, chat, and also have our morning and evening tea. A lot of memories of roundtable conferences here with family members, loved ones, relatives, and neighbors.
এইখিনিতে অকমান অসমীয়াটো কৈ দিছো বহুতখিনি বন্ধু বান্ধৱ আৰু সাবস্ক্ৰাইবাৰ্ছে অসমীয়াটো কথা ক'বলৈ ডিচাইড কৰিছে আৰু ভাল লাগিব বুলি এই ব্লগটো মই বনাইছোৱেই অকল এইটো কাৰণে যে এটলিষ্ট মই দেখাব পাৰোঁ কি আমি কিখিনি সাৱধানতা ফলো কৰি আছো নাজানো শুদ্ধ হৈছে নে কি কোনোবাই এইটো ক'ব পাৰি কি অলপ বেছিয়ে কৰিছে ইমানো কৰাৰ প্ৰয়োজন নাই মই বহুতবিলাক মানুহ চব বাহিৰলৈ যাব বিচাৰে ফূৰ্তি কৰিব বিচাৰে কোনো ঘৰত থাকি ভাল নাপায় কিন্তু যিমান পাৰি সাৱধান হ'ব কাৰণ অসমত এতিয়া বহুত বেছি মানুহৰ কোভিড ওলাইছে আৰু হস্পিটেলছ প্ৰাইভেট হওক গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট হওক পেচেণ্ট ৰাখিবলৈ আৰু জাগা নাইকিয়া সেইকাৰণে সবে যিমান পাৰি সাৱধান হৈ চলিব নিয়ম কানুনখিনি মানি চলিব কাৰণ নিজৰ ঘৰত যেতিয়া কোনোবা ভালপোৱা মানুহ এজনৰ কেতিয়াবা কিবা হয় তেতিয়াহে মানুহে আচল ভয়টো খায় আৰু বুজি পায় কি কিয়নো অলপ সাৱধান নহ'লো সেইকাৰণে প্লিজ মই ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰিছোঁ সবে বহুত সাৱধান হৈ চলিব যিমান পাৰি মানুহৰ পৰা দূৰত থাকক আৰু একেবাৰে উপায় নোহোৱা কামবিলাকহে কৰিবলৈ বাহিৰত যাব অফিচতো যাবই লাগিব কিন্তু চেনিটাইজাৰ হওক মাস্ক হওক হাত চাত চাবোনেদি ঘনাই ঘনাই ধুই থকা হওক বা নিজৰ কাপোৰ কানি বাহিৰৰ পৰা আহি ধুই মেলি যিমান পাৰি সাৱধান হৈ চলক যেন এই ইমান ভয়ানক পৰিস্থিতিটো আমি অকমান কন্ট্ৰলত আনিব পাৰোঁ
Now mid-morning tea and some fruits. I have also been giving my dad nimbu pani, not just my dad, to everybody in the family, which is a good source of vitamin C.
Now let's begin the preparation for lunch.